In this video, I'll show you how to add a weather widget to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elfsight. Now, that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the tools section, and down below you will find weather. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and on the corner of the window, simply click on the expand arrows. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now. And for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll be taken to the page wherein you can start customizing your widget, and on the left hand side, we have about 3 options. On the location section, this is where you can display your weather for, either a specific location or into a visitor's location. Now, if you have the specific location, what you can do is enter the city, the zip code, or the coordinates. On the settings section, this is where you can change the language, and on the right hand side, if you click on the drop down, you will see the languages that are available. You can also change the temperature unit from Fahrenheit to Celsius, also change the wind speed unit, the pressure unit, the date format, as well as the time format. On the style section, this is where you can change the style of the widget. At the very top, you will see you have about 5 options to choose from, and each and every style has its own settings. Now onto the style, what you can do is change the background color, and if you want to add a themed image, that is something that you can also do. You can also change the background color, the daily forecast background color. You can enable the icon animations, as well as display the temperature scale, as well as expand the forecast. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log in into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio website, the first step is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections, and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed and Social. And onto Embed Code on the right-hand side, simply click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so anything that is in here, be sure to delete that. Once that's done, what you want to do is simply press on Ctrl A and then press on Backspace to delete. Once that's done, what you want to do is paste the code that we just copied, so simply press on Ctrl V. Once that's done, simply click on Update so we can view the changes. Once you've done that, you should be able to see your widget. And on the corners of the frame, you will see these circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. I have here a personalized code that I've shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back into Wix. From here, what we want to do is simply click on the widget, and at the bottom, click on Edit Code. On the left-hand side, what you want to do is simply press on Ctrl-V to paste the code. And under Font Family, this is where you can change it into the fonts into how you want it to be. Once that's done, simply click on Update down below in order for us to view the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget and it looks much clean. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar and on the right hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have a weather widget on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.